Hi students, welcome to Vari Medical Academy. So, உங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரு குட் நியூஸ். வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக இனிவரும் நாட்கள் டெய்லியும் ஒவ்வொரு டாபிக் நம்மளுடைய ஃபேக்கல்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் லைவ் வீடியோ ஸ்ட்ரீம் உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்க போறாங்க. Wish you all the best my dear future doctors. டாபிக் ஏதாவது வந்து கிளாரிட்டி வேணும் அப்படிங்கிற எந்த கண்டென்ட் ஆனாலும் கமெண்ட்ல தெரியப்படுத்துங்க. அதுக்குண்டான சொல்யூஷன் வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக கொடுக்க ரெடியா இருக்கும். இந்த மாதிரி வீடியோக்கள் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காம லைக் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
This is Shyam Reddy from Vari Medical Academy. Today we are going to discuss about motion in vertical circle. Motion in vertical circle is an example of non-uniform circular motion. Non-uniform circular motion. In non-uniform circular motion, at least point the velocity, at highest point velocity will be changed. At least point it is more, at highest point it is very minimum. We can prove that in vertical circular motion, non-uniform circular motion. Here it is. We can take as non-uniform circular motion. In this, take a ball tied with one rope and you can apply the circular motion. Then we will get one circle. In this circle, one body is moving with some velocity, right? So here it is, at different points the body velocity is different. The body velocity is different. Suppose this is the least point from the at least point from the horizontal surface. Okay, this is the highest point, this is the middle. At any point, take as at any one point P, we want the motion of the circle. Here very less, here very high, here very less. Okay, it's a minimum velocity, here highest velocity. In between these 2 points, the velocity will be slowly decreases. We can prove it. Yeah. Take as from v square minus u square is equal to 2as equation. Here the length of the string L, this is the L, or from here to here this is L, length of the string. At some height we can take as some height. Here it is some height h, this is the h. The total length from here to here is L, this is the L, this is h, means this is L minus h, L minus h. Okay, here it is theta, right? V square minus u square is equal to as. S is nothing but length of the string. So v square minus u square is equal to 2al. It is starting from least to highest point. Take as a is equal to g. Okay, it is moving in upward direction, so minus g. V square is equal to u square minus 2gl. V square is equal to u square minus 2gl. V is equal to u square minus 2gl under root. Here we want the actually 2gh at the height h. We want to substitute the h value in terms of L. It gives 2gh up to here. We want this value, okay, from here to here. So we can change the h value in terms of L and h. From this, take as cos theta. Cos theta is equal to L minus h by L. This is L cos theta is equal to L minus h. h is equal to L minus L cos theta, h is equal to L into h is equal to L into 1 minus cos theta. H is equal to L into 1 minus cos theta, right? Just substitute this value in this equation. Then V is equal to U square minus 2GL into 1 minus cos theta under root. This is the velocity at any point on a vertical circle. This velocity is slowly decreases from least point to highest point. We can prove it. Take as this is the point A, point P, point B, point C and point D, A in circular motion, right? At point A, what is the velocity? Take the theta value. This is the theta in this direction, where theta is equal to, in the same direction, theta is equal to 0. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. Theta is equal to 180 degrees. Theta is equal to 270 degrees. Theta is equal to 360 degrees. Like that in a circular. So V is equal to 1 U square minus 2GL into 1 minus cos, which point we want to take first? A. At point A, the velocity is at point A. At point A, velocity of body. At point A, velocity of body. Okay. This is V square is equal to U square minus 2GL into 1 minus cos 0. Take as cos 0. This is cos 0. Right? Under root. This is equal to 1 minus U square, V is equal to U square minus 2GL into 1 minus cos 0 is 1. So 1 minus 1 will become 0. It will become 0. 2GL into 0, 0. So V is equal to just U square. V is equal to U. Initial velocity, final velocity of the body at point A is same. Whatever it is started, the velocity of initial velocity and the final velocity is same at point A. Now we can check the velocity of the body at point B. So at point B, velocity of body is at point B. Velocity of body. Velocity of body. Here it is. Take as V is equal to U square minus 2GL into 1 minus cos. Look at this. Its theta is 90 degrees here. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. Just substitute the 90 degrees. Cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. So, cos 90 is 0. Therefore, what can we get? V is equal to U square minus cos 90 is 0. 2GL into 1, 2GL. This is 2GL under root. V is equal to U square minus 2GL. This value is less than this. At point A, velocity is U. At point B, velocity is under root of U square minus 2GL is less than U. Because just take as, look at this, from U minus something, approximately U is equal to 10 meter per second, G is equal to take as 2 meter per second, so it is total is 8. Here it is 10. That's why at point A, point B, velocity is decreases. At point C also we can check. At point C, the velocity of the body is, I will write here. At point C, the velocity of the body is at point C, velocity of body. Velocity of body. Look at this. V is equal to u square minus 2gl into 1 minus cos. Here it is. Theta is equal to 180 degrees. Theta is equal to 180 degrees. This is cos 180 is nothing but u square minus 2gl into 1 minus of minus 1. Minus of minus 1. Right? This is 1 minus of minus 1 nothing but 1 plus 1. So, it will become V is equal to u square minus 4gl. V is equal to u square minus 4gl. At point C, the velocity of the body is u square minus 4gl. Look at that. At point A is velocity u. At point B, velocity is u square minus 2gl under root. At point C, u square minus 4gl. This is slowly decreases. This is u is greater than under root of u square minus 2gl is greater than u square minus 4gl. What is the reason to decrease the velocity? Here we are applying the same force on the body in vertical circular motion, but the velocity slowly decreases at point A and point B and point C, because here gravitational force of attraction will be worked on the body. Here the body is influenced by the gravitational force. The body is influenced by the gravitational force of earth. Due to that, its velocity will be decreases. This is the reason. And the velocities are like this. U is greater than under root of u square minus 2gl. E is greater than under root of u square minus 4gl. If we want to take here at point D, we will get the same value of u square minus 2gl. At B, at D, the values are same, because 1 minus cos 270. Cos 270 is nothing but cos 180 minus cos 180 plus 90. Take as it will become cos 90. So, we are getting the same value. So, once again it will be increase. It goes to first value. So, A is greater than, B is greater than, and at C, at D, it will be more than this value, like this. And after this, we are getting the same value of U. This is the circular motion. In circular motion, acceleration due to gravity is working. In vertical circular motion, acceleration due to gravity will be worked on the body. That's why the body's velocity will be decreases at initial point, at the least point, at the highest point. This is the cause. Next we are going to discuss about the tension. Tension in the string. What is the tension at the string at point A, at point B and at point C? We can discuss about this. Yeah. Next, we are going to discuss about the tension of the body when it is moving in vertical motion. Okay, yes, we can take as a circle. Here it is, continuation of that. This is at any one point, take as at any one point P. Here velocity is u in this direction. Here velocity is v in this direction, right? And we want the tension at this point. It is working this direction. Body working in downward direction. mg, and we need to take the components of mg in the same direction, and this is, it is mg cos theta, this is mg sin theta, right? Then here it is the net force is equal to, according to Newton's law, the force is equal to centripetal force. Here the net force is equal to centripetal force. Look at that. Centripetal force, how can I take here? Heading is tension in vertical circle. Tension in vertical circle at different points. Okay. Yeah. Now, what we have? V is equal to, already we found V, velocity. Velocity is nothing but u square minus 2gl into 1 minus cos theta. We are getting, you are get at point P. Take as this is the point P, right? At this point, now we want the tension. This is T, right? T minus mg cos theta is equal to centripetal force. The net force is equal to centripetal force. Okay, so this is T minus mg cos theta is equal to mv square by r. Here net force is equal to centripetal force. So net force we have T minus mg cos theta. T minus mg cos theta is equal to mv square by r. Where r is nothing but L, length of the wire or length of the string. Take as T is equal to mg cos theta plus mv square by L. We know already V value, just we discussed now. So just substitute the V value in this equation. T is equal to mg cos theta plus m by L into, in the place of V square we can write as u square minus 2gl into 1 minus cos theta. This is u square minus 2gl into 1 minus cos theta. Yes. From this we can get T is equal to m by L is the common. Take as m by L is the common, then we can get gl cos theta. gl cos theta plus u square minus 2gl plus 2gl cos theta. Yeah, m by L is the common. So gl cos theta plus u square minus 2gl, minus of minus, it is plus 2gl cos theta. gl cos theta, 2gl cos theta, 3gl cos theta. So this is also write as m by L into u square minus 2gl plus 3gl cos theta. 3gl cos theta. gl also common, take as common. Then T is equal to m by L into u square minus 2gl into 2. Just take as 2 is the common, gl is the common, because here 3 is there. gl into 2 minus of minus plus 3 cos theta. 3 cos theta. This is. So, T is equal to m by L into u square minus GL into 2 minus 3 cos theta. This is the tension. At any point, this is the general equation at any point on the vertical circle. Now, we want the tension at point A, tension at point B, tension at point C, tension at point D. If the tension is increases or decreases, we need to find. T is equal to m by L into u square minus GL 2 minus 3 cos theta. Just apply the theta value in this equation, then we will get the particular places. At the particular place, we are getting the tension, right? For that, we can take as, shall I erase this? Yes, this is from this equation. At point A, the tension is at point A, the tension is, what is that? Here it is, theta is equal to 0. Theta is equal to 0 in the same direction. So, we can get T is equal to m by L into u square minus GL into 2 minus 3 cos 0. 2 minus 3 cos 0. It will become T is equal to m by L into u square minus GL into, look at that, this is 3, this is minus 1. It will become minus 1. So, we are getting T is equal to m by L into u square plus GL. It's nothing but T is equal to mu square plus mg. mu square by L plus mg. This is the tension at point U or at point A. At least point, the tension is T is equal to mu square by L, plus mg. At point B, the tension is increases or decreases, we can see. At point B, theta is equal to, what can we get? Theta is equal to 90 degrees. Theta is 90 degrees. Then, here it is, T is equal to m by L into u square minus GL into 2 minus 3 cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. It will become 0. So, we are getting T is equal to m by L into u square minus 2GL. m by L into u square minus 2GL. So, this is T is equal to mu square by L minus 2mg. Look at this. Here it is mu square by L plus mg. But at point B, T is equal to mu square by L minus 2mg. So, tension is a decrease. Tension is decreases. At point C, theta is equal to 180 degrees. Then what is the tension? T is equal to m by L u square, GL is the common, 2 minus 3 cos 180. Cos 180 is nothing but cos 180. Cos 180 take as 90 plus 90. Okay, so this is minus 1. It will become minus 1. Minus So T is equal to m by L u square minus GL into 2 minus 3 into minus 1. Minus of minus plus, it will become T is equal to m by L into u square minus GL into 5. So this is minus 5GL, minus 5GL. T is equal to m by L into u square minus 5GL. Finally, we can write as, this is, I am writing here, just observe this, T is equal to mu square by L minus 5G 5mg. This is T is equal to mu square by L minus 5mg. At point A is m square by L plus mg. At point B, m square by L into minus 2mg. At point C, mu square by L into minus 5mg. That's why tension also decreases from least point to highest point in vertical circle. In vertical circle, tension also decreases.